In this video, I will show you how you can fix the battery draining problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection Settings, just scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Now on this page, just disable the toggle for nearby device scanning. After you do that, then just tap on Printing. Now if you're not using any printing device, just disable the toggle for default printing service. After you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page. And over here, just tap on Display. Under the display settings, just select dark mode, then enable the toggle for adaptive brightness. After you've done that, now just go back to the main settings page. And from here, just scroll down a bit and tap on Location. Tap on Location Services. And from here, just disable the toggle for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Now after you've done that, then just go back to the settings. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Battery. Now on this page, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for Power Saving. Now just enable the toggle for Power Saving, then tap on Power Saving one more time. Now as you can see, you have two levels of Power Saving. You have the option for Standard, and also you have the option for Maximum. If you select the maximum option, it will limit the background activity and it will also disable the notifications except for essential apps like messaging apps. But you can also select the standard option, and with the standard option, it will limit network usage, syncing, and location checking. I will set it on standard, then just go back and tap on background usage limits. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for put unused apps to sleep. Now after you do that, you will fix the battery draining problem on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.